Discovering Canada, Employment and Education Insights. Hello, dear learners. Today, we dive deep into Canada's heart by exploring a fundamental aspect of its society, employment and education. How do Canadians study, and where do they work? Stick around to find out. Canada boasts one of the world's most diverse and resilient economies. Let's discuss the major sectors that employ Canadians. 1. Natural resources. Canada is rich in natural resources. This includes forestry, mining, and oil. Many Canadians are employed in these sectors, especially in provinces like Alberta and British Columbia. 2. Healthcare and services. As with many developed nations, the service sector dominates, with healthcare playing a crucial role. 3. Tech and innovation. Cities like Toronto and Vancouver are becoming tech hubs, attracting both domestic and international talent. 4. Manufacturing. While not as dominant as before, Canada still has a significant manufacturing sector, especially in Ontario. Canadian education is known for its quality and inclusivity. Here are some key points to understand. 1. Public schooling. Public schools in Canada are free for residents and are funded by the government. Students typically attend school from kindergarten until grade 12. 2. Post-secondary education. Canada houses some world-renowned universities like the University of Toronto and McGill University. College and university fees vary, but there are numerous scholarships available for bright students. 3. Language of instruction. Given that Canada is bilingual, schools operate in both English and French. However, English dominates in most provinces, with French being more prevalent in Quebec. 4. Vocational training. Not everyone chooses the university route. Canada has excellent vocational and trade schools that cater to various industries. Why is understanding both employment and education in Canada important? 1. Skill development. Canada's education system is tailored to its job market, ensuring students develop relevant skills. 2. Immigration. Canada's express entry system for immigration often requires educational credentials and job offers or work experience in Canada. Therefore, understanding these sectors can be beneficial for potential immigrants. 3. Cultural insight. A country's education and employment sectors offer a glimpse into its values, aspirations, and societal structures. Knowing about these can deepen one's cultural understanding of Canada. We hope you've enjoyed this journey into Canada's educational and employment landscapes. It's a nation that values learning and offers myriad opportunities to its residents. The next time you think of Canada, remember it's not just about maple syrup and ice hockey, but also a rich tapestry of work and study experiences.